After the DR-CAFTA agreement was signed, in Costa Rica and in Dominican Republic and in the rest of Central America, they signed a law to protect the importers, distributors, representatives of foreign companies, which places foreign companies in certain disadvantages. So what we're going to do in this part is focus a little bit on what the law establishes and how you should draft a contract, on what should the contract contain as basic clauses. So please feel free to interrupt me as many times, because I know this will be the trickiest part. So if you have any doubts, any questions, just go ahead and ask. So we're gonna start with distributor protections, because I know that's what most of you will be seeking in Costa Rica, a distributor. So under the law 6209, which is the law that protects distributors, agents, representatives from foreign companies, establishes that an exclusive distributor or a co-distributor is any natural or legal person who, throughout a contract with a foreign company, imports or manufactures in the country any goods for their distribution within the national market, acting on their behalf and on their own risk. So this is the most important part to understand. The relationship you would have with a distributor, either exclusive or a co-distributor, would be the fact that they will sell your products under their own risk and market them within a territory. So when drafting a contract with a distributor, what this law did was they tried to stop the foreign company from terminating contracts at their own will without any justification. So it established a series of possibilities where you can actually terminate the contract without further responsibility for the foreign company. What usually happens is that when you terminate one of these contracts and it's outside of this scope, you're going to have to pay a lot of money, pay for damages, you have to pay for damages, perjuries, and a lot of other things, and you have to pay for the existing remaining stock and for the financial loss they incurred in, and a lot of other things. That is why we strongly advise for you to draft a contract. Make sure to draft a contract and try to cover all the provisions. Otherwise, you might be in trouble because they will be protected under this law. So these are the 5 possibilities into which you may be able to terminate the distributor contract without any responsibility.